Huami is a very popular name in the wearable industry. Amazfit is a sub-brand under it which offers a number of smartwatches including the latest Amazfit Bip S. Realme is also new in wearable industry and wants to have a greater position in the market like its smartphones. The Chinese company just launched the Realme watch which aims to challenge best affordable smartwatches. Noise is an Indian company which started 6 years back and has brought products like Bluetooth earbuds and smartwatches. Its latest Noise Fit Endure also aims in challenging best affordable smartwatches. Let's find out the competition between them to deliver the best to the consumers. The Realme watch has a square dial, whereas the Amazfit Bip S has a square dial as well. But Noise Fit Endure has a round dial. All have buttons on the right. But if you see the Amazfit Bip S and the Realme watch, both have branding at bottom, but the Bip S has more symmetrical bezels with screen in the center, whereas the Realme comes with a bigger bottom bezel. The Realme watch has 1.4-inch color LCD display, whereas the Amazfit Bip S has 1.28-inch trans-reflective display. Also, the Noise Fit Endure has TFT LCD display. Resolution of Realme watch is 320 by 320 pixels, whereas Amazfit Bip S has a resolution of 176 by 176 pixels and the Noise Fit Endure has 240 by 240 pixels. All have removable wrist straps. All come with a display protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. Weight of Realme watch is 33 grams, whereas the Amazfit Bip S has a weight of 31 grams and the Noise Fit Endure has a weight of 48 grams. The Realme watch has acceleration, a heart rate sensor and also a SpO2 blood oxygen sensor. The Amazfit Bip S has 3-axis acceleration sensor, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor, BioTracker PPG, BioTracking optical sensor for heart rate monitoring. The Noise Fit Endure has a heart rate monitor and SpO2 blood oxygen sensor. The Realme watch has 14 sport modes, whereas the Amazfit Bip S has 10 sport modes and the Noise Fit Endure has 9 sport modes. All three watches are IP68 certified, having dust and water resistance. All three watches have 5.0 version Bluetooth connectivity. The Realme and the Noise Fit Endure watch doesn't have GPS, whereas the Amazfit Bip S has GPS plus GLONASS dual mode positioning. The Realme watch has 166 mAh battery which can last for 7 days. The Amazfit Bip S has 200 mAh battery which can last up to 40 days and the Noise Fit Endure has 460 mAh battery which can last up to 20 days. Realme watch has 380 nits with 10 levels of adjustment, whereas the Amazfit has a trans-reflective display which gets better with increasing intensity of light. It's brighter in the sunlight and has a backlit for indoor usage. The Noise Fit Endure has a TFT display which also consumes low power, but it's also brighter in sunlight as well as in indoor. The Realme watch has a more crisper display since it has a higher pixel count than the Amazfit Bip S and the Noise Fit Endure. The Amazfit Bip S looks slightly washed out since it has a trans-reflective display, but still is readable in sunlight as well as in indoor. The Realme watch has notification alerts for all apps installed on your watch. These notifications can be of any voice, calls, SMS or third-party chat message. The Amazfit Bip S has music control, compass, weather forecast, alarm clock, call notifications. Call notifications means you can reject or silence the call. There are message notifications as well. These features are common in all three watches, but the Amazfit Bip S also supports third-party apps. Also, the Noise Fit Endure has physical health tracking. It tracks the menstrual pattern. You can unlock the phone from the Realme watch. All watches have camera shutter control and stopwatch. The Amazfit Bip S and the Noise Fit Endure are compatible with both Android and iOS, while the Realme watch is only compatible with the Android. Realme watch has 12 watch faces included. There are no custom watch faces. In the Amazfit Bip S, you have 2 editable watch faces. Plus additionally you have 40 plus custom watch faces which can be installed by third-party websites. The Noise Fit Endure has 4 watch faces, but it also has hundreds of watch faces included in the DaFit app. The Realme watch is available in blue, red and green color, whereas the Amazfit has 4 options: red, orange, warm pink, white rock and the carbon black. The Noise Fit Endure also has 4 options: charcoal black, teal green, classic black and tan brown. The Realme watch and the Noise Fit Endure are costing at 3,999 rupees in India, whereas the Amazfit Bip S costs at 4,999 rupees. All these watches are comfortable to wear in hand and also can easily get connected to their magnetic chargers. If you want to go with a square form factor, you can choose between the Amazfit Bip S and the Realme watch. If you want to go for a round form factor, you can go with the Noise Fit Endure. But out of these, you can see Amazfit Bip S has a long lasting battery. Also it has GPS in it. But if you want to go with a more crisper display, you can choose between the Realme watch and the Noise Fit Endure.